Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about creating multiple Reddit accounts. Let's get started. By now, you have already created your Reddit account. You may already have discovered some Reddit communities that you like to be involved with and participate in the discussions. If there are sensitive topics that you'll be participating in, and you also want to market your brand, you need to create another account on Reddit. If you're going to share your opinion as a comment on posts for subreddits like politics or religion, then you don't want to associate your brand's username with those topics. This is because there will be instances that you'll get stalked by some Redditors, or simply your account might get banned. If you want to establish your brand, you don't want Redditors to see hateful comments from your username. Now let's talk about why some people create multiple accounts on Reddit. It is possible to create different accounts on Reddit, especially if you want to get involved with different communities and you don't want to lose access to your account that you've built. There are times that you want to participate in a variety of Reddit communities that are not relevant to each other, and you don't like that your Reddit username be traced back to your post history because you want to remain anonymous. Remember that Reddit is where people discuss topics and say their opinions freely, without worrying about other Redditors finding out their real identity. A Redditor can start an account for promoting their brand or blog, but then if they posted on other communities and a fellow Redditor find their post or comment offensive, these Redditors can send them hate messages or threats to their business. If you decide to create multiple Reddit accounts to maintain anonymous, you have to take note that for your accounts to be successful without getting banned, you need to have different IP addresses for each account. This will be possible with the use of a VPN, which can give you a different IP address and hide your true IP address. That way, Reddit won't see that a single IP address is using multiple Reddit accounts. Next, you need to use different email accounts for each Reddit account that you will register as you sign up. Also, you need to register the account one at a time. You can sign up 7 days apart from the current sign-up you made. Once you've successfully signed up with multiple accounts, you must remember not to log into all of these accounts all at the same time using one computer. Each Reddit account must be connected to the internet differently. What you can do is log in one account on your computer using your Wi-Fi, another account on your mobile device using your mobile data, and another account connected through a VPN. Also, you need to be active for at least 30 days participating in communities that you like for each Reddit account that you have created. This will keep your username's karma up. Creating multiple Reddit accounts can be useful if you want to remain anonymous and still be able to share your blog content or share experiences about your expertise to help fellow Redditors without associating your brand with other communities not relevant to your brand's niche. Now that you know about creating multiple Reddit accounts, we can now proceed to the next chapter, Reddit Marketing Basics. I'll see you there.